we have some distance away from whatever residence you may hypothesize. There is an outlying set of hills. So this is the highest, these are the highest, and then they are, these four little hills are on top of this elevated level, and there's another one off to the side. All of them are higher than these outlying areas.
Uh-huh.
So that's the highest point, and it goes,
And on top of each of these is some kind of monolith sticking up that we are looking down upon. Now, all of this is easily observable to just, that's why I'm showing you this external map. It's quite easy to understand what is where. Some of the details maybe are to be discovered, but you will notice that from this cliff wall or wall of a relatively vertical hill slope, there is an opening that water is flowing from. So clearly from under here. Now, this used to be famous for the sweetest, nicest, best water. But it has, in recent times, become quite pink, almost to be accurate, a lovely lavender.
Is it chewable?
It is chewable?
Yeah.
No, what do you mean? It's water.
Okay, so it's not bubblegum.
No. It is definitely still water. And although it is not that clear what effect this actually has on the water, some people say they can taste a difference, and other people say they can't, that there is no difference. And also but people are suspicious, right? They don't want to use the weird water now. And its clarity had been one of its selling points. And so for somebody who wanted to buy some or make something with it, and it just doesn't look right anymore. So this is economically of some concern.
Is this like Loka?
No, possibly.
So it's like economic.
Yeah. Well, but who knows? Your characters may have no stake in this. I am just giving you some background on this situation. And also that the people who have perhaps gone to investigate the situation, some have never returned, and others have returned in no really coherent state of mind.
Is it full-fledged madness or catatonic dissociations?
Shall we say they seem very distracted.
Okay.
Very distracted to the point of being not very functional.
Oh.
I see.
And that's confirmed, or is it just hearsay that people have gone back?
I don't know. Which we'll find out. If your character wants to know, tell me which character, and we will do a little resolution.
Okay.
And then also, some people, if we are going to talk about rumors, some of the people who have gone to check out what is happening have been, it seems they have shown up very far away, wandering around in a confused state. Right.
So they entered and disappeared and reappeared somewhere else.
Right.
Okay, yeah.
It would seem, yeah.
But plenty of them have not come back. So when I say plenty, it's not like dozens and dozens of people have gone. Just enough for people to get worried. Just enough.
Yeah.
So somebody got worried about this. So of all of the people who were motivated to go and do a more serious look at the situation, there turned out to be 6 of them.
That's
So we have here our leprechaun, our fairy, and our dwarf. And over here we have
an elf, an elf.
Oh,
You're like a
apparently
triplets?
this is an elven
Community,
an
yeah,
elven
something.
community of some kind. Right. There is not a single human?
Nope.
Oh, that's hilarious. Okay. So, here we have. So, what are our names?
Oh, we got Leprosy the leprechaun. He's called Rosie, and he is an aspiring detective when you said that. So he put in a notebook. He wants to find out what's happening. We got Barbie from Fairytopia, and she has heard of the pink water and just thinks that there's some fairies.
That's
there.
awesome.
Yeah. She's like, oh my god, yes.
Of course.
And we got Snooker, the dwarf. He's just a dwarf.
Yeah.
He's just there for the ride.
Just tag along, yeah.
Yeah.
I have Ilske, Lipina, Vasara. And these are Ilske is a warrior, sort of militia type. Lipina is a rogue. She doesn't call herself that, but she is. And Vasera is also a rogue. She doesn't. They have economic interests in the region. They are members of the economic community.
Interesting.
I think the place is like a coconut. The harder it is to get inside, and the more delicious the fruits.
Yeah, there's something going on. Sort of effect.
And not only that, but there is a wizard in the group that they could buy spells from.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Because you do know all those spells, even the ones you are not strong enough to cast.
So you actually teach them.
Yeah,
could
but they can charge you whatever Louise wants.
Pretty fun.
Could you pay in information?
I said you can charge whatever you want.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so you are going to investigate the rumors and get some background information.
Yes, the people need to know.
Okay.
Think about him
so
as
the way
small
this works.
J. Jonah Jameson.
This is the first role-playing game to introduce resolution of this kind. And they borrowed the term from Dungeons and Dragons, saving roll. Although you will quickly see that these are not saving rolls.
No.
They just call them that. Because that was the term that Dungeons and Dragons had introduced. So the way it works is for a first level saving roll, we are going to take your relevant attribute, which is intelligence. How smart is your leprechaun?
He's what have we done?
That should be a 22.
If 15 was the original, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
If 10 was the original, it should be 15.
No, but it wasn't.
No, it wasn't.
Okay, so he's got an intelligence of 22.
Yeah, it's pretty smart. Yeah.
So therefore, what we do is we subtract your attribute from 20, which is -2. And we see if you can roll higher than that, equal it or higher on 2 dice.
Okay.
So for you, that's very easy.
Interesting.
So you rolled a 7.
Yeah.
You have succeeded.
Yes.
And it's a first level saving roll. So therefore we take the 7, multiply it by 1, and that's how many adventure points you get. So write it down in here, adventure points. Oh no, right there.
Oh, there. So
Right.
it's like, so it's a 7.
Yep. So you get experience points for failing or succeeding at
Making anything basically.
right.
Or
If
rolling.
anytime you do a saving roll, you will get some experience points.
Oh, that's cool.
And it's a common pool, because you don't have skills in this game. There's
Correct.
no such thing. Yeah. Other games could learn from that actually.
Mm-hmm.
It avoids the sort of the hard monster problem where you have, oh shit, I have these skills, I should use them, once a day so they advance.
Mm-hmm.
I really have to use gem cutting, because
Yes.
but you have to force it in, somehow I'm gonna use this.
Well, you do have,
Yeah.
we are at the time unit of an hour. What are you going to do for an hour?
Yeah.
I'm working on my little gem here. Thank you very much.
Well.
Okay, so that is our saving roll situation. And you have succeeded in your saving roll, which means that you are going to get some interesting information, which is that, first of all, Mab, or Mad Mab, as she is now known, has come back, and she is vague and distracted and seems to like things with pretty colors. And you can't get any sense out of her, but she is very upset because she has bite marks on her arms. She has scars from bites.
The nature of the bite marks, is it like 2 canines? Or
No.
is it...
Neither. It is shall we say, a very familiar tooth row to any of these humanoids.
Humans?
smallish.
No.
They're smallish.
It's the hobbits again.
If he eyes could he do a sort of with his own jaw?
How big are leprechauns?
They are a third size.
Bigger than yours.
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit. Just a little bigger than yours.
Oh, I'm warily eyeing my dwarf companion. Where were you last night? Like my own arms. Okay. Are we in the? Oh, have we like sort of like what's going?
The implication was that we are at least
You are
collaborating.
Yeah.
Maybe
Well,
not at exactly the same position.
Clarify a little bit. Your characters are not a team, and your characters are not a team.
I see.
Okay.
All of you are one team.
I see.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. So
I get it.
You're right.
So we are at the same location, roughly speaking.
Oh yeah. You're planning to go do this together.
Yes.
So this is in a way we could have 1 to 6 players here.
Yeah.
I'm giving you the scoop that I just unearthed here.
Oh yeah.
Take a look at these arms.
That's how it speaks. Let's see. Oh well, I think it's it's the hobbits. They're moving in again.
Do we have a hobbit here?
No.
No, we don't. Yes.
No, of course we don't.
It's the...
Hobbit racism, terrible.
And I'm just like hoping that the races doesn't go on the other small races. I'm like, it's definitely the hobbits. Yeah.
Has to be.
Them, and I won't stop out.
The note that the elves in this game are tall.
They are, yeah. It's
Taller
actually
than humans.
Oh,
yeah.
girl.
So basically, you have these 3 elves who are way up high, and everybody else is way down low.
Oh yeah.
You mistook me for a footstool. Like,
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm quickly going to find that page that I was playing with a minute ago, and now I would like you to tell me, as you proceed to this place, first of all, is anyone going to have anything to eat after your journey to this place because you are getting hungry?
Well, sure.
Yes.
My leprechaun has 3 rations.
I have 1 each. Actually, Lepina has 2 provisions.
Yeah.
They can all eat.
So we can
Okay,
all, we can
everybody
all,
can eat.
We can all eat
Excellent.
for the
Have
next
a nice
time.
meal, yes, as this area turns darker and darker as the sun sets.
Do you pretend to have dark vision? It's
Uh,
not a thing, but
it's
it
not a thing.
was a rumor. Or are we going to be racist and just like, you can see in the dark, right?
Yeah, they could probably they aren't gonna pretend to do it, but they're sort of, when you say it, they are. But yeah.
What does your L5 see?
No problem.
4 and 2 fire opal. Ooh. Oh, don't mind me.
I just
No,
heard
no.
the word fire and I got so frightened.
Wow, I have lots of words. If you're that easily activated, I can come up with lots of words. So, 3 and 5 opal, 9,
Having
and
a bit of an...
I guess we are sort of standing at the base of this
Yeah.
mountain or whatever, the hill.
well, that is a good question. From what angle do you want to approach? You can come this way, or you can come that way.
Or we can go the Shawshank Redemption way.
That's true.
Over the
Under.
entrance. Yeah, I see.
Well, it says entrance there, but that's what the artist said.
I see.
Yeah.
But sort of it's a river or something.
Yeah, it's
like
water
it's
coming
spring.
out. I mean,
Yeah,
who would think it's an entrance?
wellspring, literally. Yeah. I suppose we are coming. Right? We are supposed to, search or whatever, investigate sort of this general area. So it makes sense that we would appear sort of somewhere here.
Okay.
In my mind.
I got a stupid question, but there's magic involved, so I'm going to ask it. From which way does the water flow?
Oh, it flows out.
Out, okay, yeah.
Well, remember, you are collecting. Who collects the water?
Yes, that's right.
Right.
That's right.
Right, and then for each
I can
gem.
smell gold.
God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That says treasure value. Smell
Yes.
gold.
He's a bloodhound.
Oh yeah. Can you smell anything?
Yeah. Here, boy. You just smell it. Holding up some coins to him.
Yeah,
Smell
exactly.
something. Follow it.
Sorry, I'm doing quick
No,
huge.
that's fine. Should we do something in the meantime? Or?
Yes, please come up with your plan.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, exactly.
This is a very, I can't do much.
No.
Is this like a for real thing so we can like pretend our characters like, all right, everyone?
That's right.
Yeah, we could see this entire idea.
That's why I put it out there.
Yeah.
You can,
exactly.
if you want to get a really better idea about any detail at all, you're going to have to go somewhere.
Yes. Does my dwarf smell gold? He's going like this because we have.
Yes, you cannot smell gold here.
You cannot smell gold. Okay, so this is not used for thieves as a sort of rövarkul.
No, they're not.
No, they're not.
It's not the hideout. It's not the cache. Yeah, no.
They're not spreading ghost stories. So this might be true.
I think we should just start, making the basic investigation, sort of with the water, just confirming that it's real, sort of, and then maybe go up towards more the center of the area. Sort of get an overhead view or a view from above.
Yes.
Climb one of these, the closest hill, maybe, perhaps.
Since you have dark vision, we will follow you. We trust you.
Uh-oh.
Because it's.
Oh yeah, but for your benefit, we're actually going to light some torches.
Yes, that's a smart idea. You're so kind to ourselves.
Yes. Okay, excellent. So where are you going?
I think we're starting here, sort of getting a confirmation that it is in fact pink or violet.
Yeah.
It is, yeah. We can clearly see it.
Mm-hmm. Is there some sort of a tree or something that I can take a piece of bark and put it in so we can see if the streams are very dangerous or if the bark keeps going?
Well, first of all, yes, you can find something, some shrub or something like that, but I'm not quite sure what you're trying to do.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the stick or something on the rapids or the stream to see like is it deceptively fast or is it there coming some sort of a creature that responds to the shadow of it, disturbance.
I see. Okay, so you're going to poke about. Yeah. Okay, so who is doing this?
It's leprosy.
Okay. Leprosy is poking at everything.
Yes.
Right. All right. So I don't think leprosy is going to last very long, but that's just. So what happens here is that if I have to look at my.
Yep. His journalistic instincts. Yes. The truth must come out.
Okay. At this point, the water flow is surprisingly rapid, and it let's see, since you are very investigative and very smart, I'm going to say that it's clear that there must be a constriction here, because to get, first of all, it fills the aperture, not to its top, but at the sides.
Okay.
So, and it's big enough for somebody to get into. Especially the smaller characters would have no problem just stepping into it, but you would have to walk into the water, and he thinks that it must be constricted behind there because it's coming out. It must be building up, and then when it gets through, then it has a lot of momentum.
I would tell this to my team.
Telling it loudly, yeah, exactly. Yeah. Well, I think Ilske is gonna try to light the torch, put the torch inside, sort of to get a view what it is.
To check for dead air.
That too, I suppose.
That too, yeah. And also, there's the interesting about the air. So we have leprosy. Yeah. Who are you actually in the water?
No.
Oh, okay,
just checking. It stands on the brink of it and throws that in.
Okay, so you are doing this, and you are leaning. Yeah. Perhaps like this, even holding.
Probably looking into it
with the torch, and then what is everyone else doing? Are you all standing around curiously looking?
I think both Lepina and Versara are maybe standing a bit behind, but looking at the sides, sort of scouting, sort of. Okay. They are,
and you're all down here right now.
Yes, right. At least these are.
Okay.
I don't know what yours.
If my fairy were to fly, is she tall enough?
You small enough to go above the water? Absolutely.
Ooh, well, but she doesn't have dark vision.
But it is torch lit.
Yeah. Firelit. So she can go a bit, but will she do it? Well, she believes this is like her yellow brick road, right?
It's the the lavender water, right?
Lavender water. It's fairy-like. So
you could just take the torch from Ilske too.
Ooh, yeah.
Supposedly.